Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see the basic information about Karnataka PGCET, M.Pharma and Pharm.D. The exam conducting body for Karnataka PGCET, M.Pharma and Pharm.D are Karnataka Examination Authority, that is KEA. The examination mode is online mode, which is held in Bangalore. And the courses for conducting this exam is M.Pharma and Pharm.D courses, and this stream is pharmacy only. Karnataka PGCET M.Pharm and Pharm.D application form eligibility exam date. Karnataka PGCET M.Pharm and Pharm.D application form will be raised by Karnataka Examination Authority, that is KEA Malleshwaram, at the state level only. The interstate candidates can apply online through online mode from the official website. After registering for this exam, the aspirant will be offered admission into M.Pharma and Pharm.D courses. This common entrance exam is conducted only once a year. Karnataka PGCET M.Pharma and Pharm.D application form. Below are some steps involved in filling the Karnataka PGCET M.Pharma and Pharm.D application form. The application form will be available on the official website, that is http www.ka.karnik.in. Candidates can download the application form from the official website. The application form will require various details to be filled in, like candidates are required to fill in all the details like name, gender, date of birth, qualification, etc. The application has to be fill the application form very carefully. Wrong information in the application form will not be accepted. After filling the application form, the candidate has to click on the submit button. Applicant will be asked to upload the required documents, that is signature and photo and other all etc. All the documents shall be uploaded in the prescribed size only and format only, like JPG or photo form. After the successful filling of the application form, an application number will be generated. The application number must be kept safe for further use of this procedure. Karnataka PGCET M.Pharm and Pharm.D application fees include. The mode of payment include the prescribed registration fee should be submitted via online mode through the payment gateway by the candidate. For the category General and OBC candidates, there will be a 1,500 will be the application fees. For ST and SC and category 1 and physical handicapped students, there will be 800 for application fees. Payment can be done using one of the following options like credit card or debit cards. Payment should not be made through demand draft or any other mode of payment other than what is mentioned above. Karnataka PGCET M.Pharm and Pharm.D eligibility criteria. Below is some eligibility for Karnataka PG Common Entrance Exam 2023 for M.Pharm and Pharm.D 2023. The candidate must check before applying for the exam. Candidate with 55% of marks, 50% in case of SC or ST in B.Pharm are eligible for this exam. Candidate should not have attained the age of 45 years on the last date submission of the application of PG entrance test. For M.Pharm, these are some eligibility criteria like a candidate shall be a citizen of India and should have born in Karnataka state only. The candidate must have passed B.Pharm from any recognized Indian university established by law located in Karnataka state or any other degree courses in pharmacy in an institution located in Karnataka state recognized as equivalent by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science or Pharmacy Council of India, that is PCI, or other or All India Council of Technical Education, that is AICTE, with not less than 55% of maximum marks, minimum marks, 50% in case of SC or ST, and category 1, aggregate of 4 years, prescribed for the qualifying examination shall be eligible for the admission to the M.Pharm course. An applicant who has completed or is completing industrial training on or before entrance test are eligible for this applying M.Pharm course, provided candidates who are in final year of B.Pharm course in colleges recognized by PCI and AICTE are also eligible to appear for the entrance test under this regulation. For Pharm.D, that is post-bachelorate candidate, these are the eligibility criteria. Candidate must have passed B.Pharm degree examination from any approved board or university established by law located in Karnataka, or any other degree courses in pharmacy in an institution located in Karnataka, recognized as equivalent by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Pharmacy Council of India, or All India Council of Technical Education, that is AICTE, with not less than 55% of maximum marks aggregate of 4 years. For SC or ST students and Category 1 candidates, the prescribed percentage of marks will be 50% of the maximum marks in the qualifying examination. Candidates who are in final year of PPharm course in colleges secured by PCI are also eligible to appear for the entrance test under the regulations. Karnataka PGCET, M.Pharma and Pharm.D exam pattern. The examination conducted at predetermined test centers at Bangalore only. The details of the test center will be intimated in the hall ticket. While downloading the hall ticket, there will be a intimated of examination center. The place and date will be announced on the KA website only. The medium of exam, English only. Questions will be objective type. Each question having one best response out of 4 possible alternative. There will be one question paper consisting of 100 questions with a duration of 90 minutes. Each question carries 1 marks. The correct answer will be awarded 1 marks only. The M.Pharma and Pharma syllabus includes subject-wide distribution of marks per entrance test includes 4 departments exist in pharmacy, namely pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, pharmacochemistry, and pharmacology. A total of 100 questions will be selected by giving 25 questions weighted to each department. For both the courses, M.Pharma and Pharma, that is post-bachelorate, the same question paper will be set. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe and share for more updates and keep supporting. Thank you.